Hey guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. Today I'm going to show you real quick how you can do a dolly zoom with the brand new DJI Mini 2. Unfortunately, DJI has not given us this as a mode on either the Mavic Air 2 or the Mini 2. Instead, they've reserved this mode exclusively for the Mavic 2 Zoom. Now, it works really well there. Now, what is a dolly zoom? Dolly zoom comes from Hollywood, where a dolly would slide on some rails or some wheels, and the operator sitting on there would zoom the camera in, either in or out, depending if the camera is moving closer to or further away from the subject. The end goal is to keep the subject about the same size, but the background radically changes because the field of view is changing as the cameraman zooms in. The Mavic 2 Zoom wasn't the only drone to include this as a feature. Actually, 1 or 2 months earlier, the Anafi from Parrot released it as a feature with their digital zoom. Now, digital zoom isn't as great of a way to do it. The Mavic 2 Zoom has a 2x optical zoom, which means in 1080 recording, you can use half digital zoom and half optical zoom, get 4x zoom losslessly. Now with the Mini 2, you can't do that. So you get 2x zoom in 1080 really for free losslessly. The rest is gonna be a little grainy, and you'll see that in some of these shots. All right, let's get to it. But before we do, I gotta throw a shout out to our sponsor for this video. It's the guys who make the tripod you're gonna see in this video. It's iFootage. As soon as I come back, I'm gonna get right in how to do dolly zoom on the DJI Mini 2. Hey guys, real quick, this video is brought to you by the Komodo K5 tripod head from iFootage. This thing has changed the way that we record videos for the content that we bring you. We can't thank iFootage enough for sending it to us. We've been able to get some of these shots you see here. It's a kind of footage that we never got before using just handheld gimbals and fixed angle cameras. Makes stuff look super professional, and I think we're going to be using this a lot more. We've only had it a couple months and have so far just loved using it. So make sure you check this out in the links in the description. Now, back to your video. So let me show you guys how we do the zoom here. Now you'll see that I switched over to 1080, and that's so I can get a total of 4x zoom. You do that by holding down the function button and using the wheel here. When you hold down function, instead of controlling the gimbal, it's going to control the digital zoom state. And that's pretty darn good there. Alright, so I'm going to zoom back out. There's my little niece there. She's a little camera shy. Alright, let's give this a shot here. Let's go up a little. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull back on my right stick. That's going to pull the drone away from me, and zoom at the same time. Not bad. I'm going to do it a little bit faster this time with the wheel. You can do it coming towards you too, but you don't want to hit yourself. So I prefer, it's a little safer to go backwards first when you're playing around with this. Alright, and here we go. Whew, that was a fast one. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Pretty basic. Back, forward with the right stick, function and wheel, and you can figure this all out. So as you saw, I did fail to click the record button. So I did a bunch more of these, and what you're going to see here is a compilation of those, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So you can see one of the downsides to doing this manually. Now, I wasn't recording on my tripod mounted camera anymore, so you might wonder why I'm still doing the awkward middle school dance hug with the tripod. Maybe it's just because I love it that much. I don't know. But anyway, you can see these shots here, a bunch of them. I'm going to switch over to the family here after I realize nobody wants to see me that much. And here we go, some a little more attractive subjects here. The nieces, the nephews, and the kids. sometimes not behaving and running after. You're sure to keep everything in the right zoom state if they track the drone. But you can see the dolly zoom action going on there as well. So that's about it, guys. I'm just going to leave you out here with a couple more of these shots. If you like this video, you found it informative, and if you think you're interested in the Mini 2, definitely check out our links below. Use those to buy the drone. They don't cost you anything, and they help us out. Check us out at halfchrome.com for all the specs, all the videos on the new DJI Mavic 2, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time.